Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is the daily recap. Still not out of this trade. In it long from the live session. This is the 15-minute chart. Let's go look at it on this 2-minute chart. It's been trailing as it's been going up. So I have 10 points locked in on my final two contracts. And I actually need to take off. That's why I'm doing the daily recap. Franco hasn't taken any trades. If this hits target, it will be a little over 2R, I think almost 2.5R on the day. If it pulls back and stops me out, it'll be like 1.5R on the day, right? But it's also the trade of the day. Let's check this out on the 5-minute. The open was here. Really, it was this shooting up from down here. Went straight up at the open. It broke out. I was potentially, if it showed some weakness at the top and broke down and retested that overnight high, I would be short. If it broke out and gave us a pullback, I would be long. And I got in long here. It gave us a micro pullback. I didn't get in on the pullback, unfortunately. I had to let's go find our entry. I didn't get, so this was the breakout here of the overnight high. I didn't get in on the pullback. It only gave me this little pullback. I wanted to see it come back and really like test the low of this candle or even this wick before getting in. But all of the internals this morning were very, very strong. If we look here, the VIX just coming straight down. The ADD on the NQ and on the ES just went straight up. So bullish on the ADD. The tick chart was just as bullish, showing, I just moved this line by accident. Let's put this back to 0. It opened above the 0 line, stayed above the 0 line. I mean, it didn't even close. The first time it closed less than even positive 300 was at 10:24 in the morning. Stayed above closing the 0 line really the entire day. This was the heat we took a little while ago. Not really any heat, but it pulled back from the high that it was at and then started to break out to the upside again. So that's my trade of the day, right? Everything was pointing long. As you guys heard me on the in the live session, everything was pointing bullish. I needed to try and find a way in. Unfortunately, I was late. I would have loved to have had a better entry, probably at least 5 points below. But 5 points below, my target would have been 5 points below. We still wouldn't have hit target, unfortunately, by 1 tick if I would have gotten in 5 points below. But I have a zone up here. The ATR extension line on the ES is up here at 40.70. So my target is below that. And that's really it. That's the trade of the day. That's going to be the recap. I mean, I'm not going to take any more trades after that today. We looking for that one good trade. This was it. I wish I would have scaled up a little bit more if I had to do it again. I scaled down. I took a smaller position size because I got in late. And so I wanted to give myself a bit more room with the stop. So instead of 8 contracts, I took 5. Ideally, I would have gotten in a better location and been able to take a larger position size. That would have put my total P&L upwards of $1,000 if it hit full target instead of around like $650 or $700 if it hits full target. But either way, a good day. And that's it. We'll catch you guys back here tomorrow live every day, 9:20 to trade the ES and trade the Nasdaq futures. I trade micros. Franco trades minis. And we're here to show you our winners and our losers. Today was a winner. Either way, regardless of whether it hits full target or it pulls back on us. But we'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Have a good one.